perfectly cooked burger in the air fryer straight from frozen. Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen burger in the air fryer. So let's open the air fryer basket and take a frozen burger out of the package and put it in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 13 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the burger with a spatula. And put it back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Perfectly cooked burger in the air fryer straight from frozen. How easy is that? For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.